In this video, you'll learn how to install WordPress on Namecheap in just a few minutes, so you can start building powerful websites with the world's most popular CMS. First, go to namecheap.com and sign in to your account. Click on Hosting List in the left sidebar and select the hosting plan where you want to install WordPress. Then click Go to cPanel to continue. Next, inside cPanel, scroll down to the Exclusive for Namecheap Customers or Software section. Look for the Softaculous Apps Installer or the WordPress Quick Install icon. Then click it to start the setup process. Now, click Install Now on the WordPress installation page. Choose the domain where you want WordPress installed, leave the directory blank if you want it on the main domain, and select the latest WordPress version. After that, fill in your site details, add your site name, description, admin username, password, and email address. These credentials will be used to log in to your WordPress dashboard, so save them somewhere safe. Once everything is filled in, click Install at the bottom of the page. Softaculous will set up WordPress in just a few seconds, and you'll get a confirmation with the link to your new admin dashboard. And that's it. WordPress is now installed on your Namecheap hosting, ready for you to build your dream website.